Hey everyone, it's Narayomi. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that often brings up curiosity and questions anal sex for beginners, how to start safely and enjoyably. We'll cover the basics, from preparation and safety to tips for making it a pleasurable experience. If you're into this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Consent and communication. First things first, always start with consent and open communication. Have a conversation with your partner to ensure you're both comfortable and enthusiastic about exploring anal sex. Discuss any fears, boundaries, or expectations to make sure everyone is on the same page. Consent is ongoing, and it's perfectly fine to stop or change your mind at any time. Preparation and patience. Preparation is key. The anus doesn't self-lubricate, so using plenty of water-based lubricant is essential to reduce friction and discomfort. If you're new, start slowly with fingers or small toys to get used to the sensation. Take deep breaths, relax, and create a calm environment. Begin with gentle external stimulation around the anus, like light touching or massaging, to build comfort and arousal. Safety tips. Anal sex carries a higher risk for sexually transmitted infections, STIs, so protection is important. Always use condoms and consider adding a water-based lube inside and outside the condom to reduce friction. If using toys, clean them thoroughly before and after each use and use a condom over the toy if sharing. Techniques for comfort and pleasure. When ready for penetration, start gently. Slow, shallow movements allow your body to adjust. Explore different rhythms and angles to find what feels best for you. Communication with your partner is key. Check in regularly to ensure comfort and enjoyment. If you feel pain, stop immediately and make adjustments. It might not be the right time, and that's okay. Hygiene and relaxation. Consider using an anal dose sheet if you're concerned about cleanliness, but avoid using numbing agents that can mask pain and increase the risk of injury. Focus on relaxation and enjoy the experience. Be patient with yourself and your partner. Aftercare matters. After anal play, take some time to relax together, cuddle, or chat about your experience. This helps build trust and intimacy. Make sure to clean up properly, stay hydrated, and unwind with a warm bath or shower. Thank you for joining me. Remember, the key elements are communication, consent, and safety. There's no rush, so take your time and focus on what feels good for you and your partner. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more content on sexual wellness, relationships, and empowerment. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, embrace your sexuality, communicate openly, and keep exploring confidently. Thanks for watching. Hey there, it's Nar.